We have been looking around for some ultra thin earphones for a while now, with a charge case that can not only fit discreetly within your pocket, but with the earphones that also sound great too. And well, I think that we may just have found some. These are the new Blitzwolf AirAux AA-UM15 TWS ENC earphones. We did find them on the online retailer website banggood.com, retailing at £28. That's around 35 in US dollars. Inside the box, you should receive a usual very detailed AirAux user manual. There's a little compartment to the left hand side, concealing a Type-C charge cable, which is great. It looks like we've got fast charging, and as well as being well packaged and very protected in this foam protective surround padding, we have, wow, Jesus, a super thin rectangle round edged 300 mAh charge case. And it's very nice. I mean, when we look how thin this measures, 17mm thick. It also is light too, weighing 39 grams, which I'll be pleased to mention, it will indeed fit very discreetly within your pocket, which I may add, this charge case might be the slimmest charge case we've actually reviewed on this channel, except for that is the previously reviewed Lenovo XT95s. To the bottom of the case, we have that Type-C charge port. To the top we have the AirAux logo, and there's a little lip to the front of the lid, which is indeed magnetically sealed too. Yes, very satisfying. Now what's kind of unique with this charge case is that hinged opening design, which I think you're gonna have to be super gentle with. I actually do think that this will probably break over time, if you're like me, if you're a bit forceful with it. Other than that, the earphones do sit very snug within the earphone charge case itself, with that embedded lid holding them nice and secure, keeping these UM15s in place with no rattling around. Now, although the inner side of the charge case is made of ABS plastic, the outer shell is actually made of metal, yes. Okay, it is quite minimalistic, but in its own way it does look very sleek indeed. Once the earphones are took out the charge case, they will automatically go into pairing mode, which I may add, how these UM15s will actually pair to your device is they have a such thing called Qualcomm Truly Wireless Mirroring Technology, which basically one of the earphones will connect to your device, while the second earbud will sync to the first earbud. What that enables is constant connectivity for seamless music playback. So even if you take one earphone out of your ear, or for example the battery in one of the earphones goes dead and turns off, your earphones will continue to play through one of the other earphones, no matter which one it is. But we will indeed be testing this aspect out real soon. Looking closely at the earphones themselves, they too are almost razor blade thin, 4mm thin vertical stems with all the usual touch controls to both sides, like on off, play, pause, call answering, the previous and next track selections, as well as voice assist, and the game mode for low latency feedback for using these earphones while gaming or using them for voice calls, etc. Now we do have some ventilation openings upon that very tiny earpiece, which when placed within your ears does fit quite nice and snug. So nope, they're not going to fall out anytime soon. They are super small and compact, and pairing these earphones is also swift too, using that internal Bluetooth QCC 3040 chip. With that Bluetooth chip, it should provide you with up to 10 meters transmission distance, but in truth, how do these AirAux AA-UM15s actually perform? Well, we have indeed tested them out over the past couple of weeks, and in fact, let me just tell you guys, the music quality is very, very good indeed. Those 13mm driver units provide shockingly good bass. There is fine textured sound, with high levels of treble, a beautiful mid-range, not too distant or not too upfront. It is just perfectly placed, with low tones that sound just as good too. So personally, my impression of the audio quality is fantastic. The volume is quite high, and in regards to that volume, comparing that to 5 hours usage time that is stated within the specifications, I'll be honest, realistically, you'll get closer to 2 hours 40 minutes while using 100% volume consistently, which isn't too bad considering the size of these earphones. They are super lightweight, 3.2 grams each, with a very tiny 30 mAh battery. But even though those 2 hours 40 minutes will be used up, simply bang them back into the charge case and you should get a quick boost over 30 minutes, or wait 1 hour 40 minutes for a full charge. Latency when placing these earphones within the gaming mode, it is simply spot on thanks to those CVC microphones. And that's the same when making phone calls too. Bluetooth connection, you should expect to get below 7 meters out of the 10 meters that was stated. Because these earphones are using that Qualcomm truly wireless mirroring technology, we did experience a few disconnections now and again, especially when lying in your bed at night with these earphones placed within your ears. It does get rather annoying at times, switching from one ear to the other, and this is probably the only negative point when it comes to reviewing these earphones this week. Only thing I will say is keep the earphones very close to your device, keep your device within your pocket, and you shouldn't really have a problem. But overall, as well as these looking like very good earphones, with a nice stylish charge case that's quite compact, with the earphones having great sounding audio, brilliant microphones, they also benefit with IPX5 waterproof resistance, which should be good enough for working out or walking within light showers, but don't be going ahead and soaking them in water or anything like that. So for audio, we are going to give them a 9 out of 10. For design, we're going to give another 9. For functionality, a big 10 out of 10. Microphone quality, a 9 out of 10. With our overall score for these Blitzwolf AirAux AA-UM15s sitting at a good score of 8 out of 10. Now we will indeed leave a link for these earphones for you guys to go ahead and check out within the video description down below. If you have liked what you've seen within this video, please go ahead, check it out for yourselves, and why not, go get yours. While you're in that video description guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video today, as well as supporting this channel and hitting that subscribe button. Bearing in mind though to click that bell notification option, so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now it's been fantastic reviewing these earphones this week, and we hope to be doing some more interesting tech reviews coming in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. But as usual guys, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!